Headband Wig Guide: Everything to Know About Human Hair. The headband wig has become one of the most practical and beginner-friendly wig options in the modern hair industry. Designed for convenience, comfort, and natural appearance, this wig style continues to gain popularity among women who want a protective hairstyle without the complexity of traditional lace wigs. With its glue-free installation and versatile styling potential, the headband wig is no longer considered a temporary trend. Instead, it has evolved into a long-term solution for daily wear, casual styling, and even professional salon use. This comprehensive guide explains what a headband wig is, why headband wigs human hair are so popular, how to wear a headband wig correctly, and how to style and maintain it for long-term use. https://thenanhr.com/headband-wig-guide-everything-to-know/ #headbandwig #how to wear a headband wig #headband wigs human hair #headband wigs HAIRSTYLES